This is DITW Anatomy and Physiology, and you are now watching the video on the purpose of leukocytes. The leukocytes, also known as the white blood cells, are part of the formed elements of the blood and play a role in the immune system. They are the cells responsible with providing the body with defense from various types of bacterial/viral infections and rids waste created by the body. White blood cells are produced through a process called leukopoiesis, a process involving the transformation of stem cells found in bone marrow. White blood cells are fully functioning cells with a nucleus and have a varying lifespan from hours to years. The leukocytes make up only 0.45% of the entire blood volume and consist of 5 main white blood cell types, which can be identified by the shape of nucleus and how they stain. These consist of neutrophils, which account for 50 to 70% of all leukocytes. This is a phagocytic cell which provides defense against bacterial infections. There is the lymphocyte, which accounts for 20 to 30% of all leukocytes. This cell functions in both specific and non-specific immunity, and the cells can differentiate into cells which can create antibodies, perform phagocytosis, and also transform into killer cells. Monocytes account for 2 to 8% of all leukocytes. This is also a phagocytic cell. It defends against chronic bacterial infections. Eosinophils account for 2 to 4% of all leukocytes, and they are mostly active against parasites and elevated in allergic reactions. Basophils account for less than 1% of all leukocytes. These cells will release chemicals such as histamine or heparin during tissue inflammation. More information on each type of leukocyte can be found in individual videos which cover each cell. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like. Please comment any questions on anatomy and physiology that you may have, and make sure to subscribe to know when future videos become available.